Inside we have this is the wig. This is a mirror from Alipearl Wig cap. I got me some lashes and a wig band. So this is the wig. This is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it has a adjustable strap in the back so it can fit your head. Yeah, and the curls are super cute. Like, look at it. So like I said, so now we're gonna try to put it on. So excuse me, it still looks okay or whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna take this band off. Oh, this is in my skin. It looks good. Little ball cap. Thank you. Anyways, we're gonna put this wig on.
No, I'm never answer.
Why?
Come there or something there. They have a school.
Oh.
Best friend, where are you?
Put that on. We get blind.
They're gonna make video.
Yes, I'm currently recording. Do you want to be my video? Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna turn my camera off and I'm gonna show you. Hey y'all, this is my baby sister Adriana. Say hi.
Hi.
But anyways, Bessie, are you gonna let me make my video? And then I'll call you back.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Bye, baby.
Love you.
Love you too. Y'all, this is what it looks like straight out the pack and on my head. I did not put any makeup on my lace yet, so I'm gonna take it back off and put makeup on my lace and come right back. Say that I would come back after I put makeup on my lace, so this is me coming back. So this is what it looks like. So now I'm just gonna try to like hot comb it. Ooh. Touch the lace again. I'm not gonna put no more makeup on it. I'm just gonna use the brush I used earlier to put on the wig cap. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. I am not one for edges, so I'm not even gonna apply any edges to it because I like it the way it is. I'm not really into edges right now. Probably do some edges later. Slapped it on my head, put makeup on it, hot combed it, and I used some, yeah. And this is what it looks like. Let's give it baddie. But yeah, guys, this is what it looks like, and thank you for watching. Bye.